This is Vacuum Man 8 today, and today we're just going to do the conclusion to Vintage Week. Today I've had a bit of a disastrous last couple of days, and I'm actually shooting this on an iPad opposed to the phone.
Yeah. I got an iPad Watch. iPod Watch. Apple Watch. I got an Apple Watch.
Apple Watch now. He found that little toy watch he had years ago, his Leap Band.
Yes, it's a pile of hay.
It's a fitness thing for kids. Yeah, it's quite old. It's like 5 or 6 years old. So yeah, so this week we're doing just the conclusion to Vintage Week. This particular Hoover Turbopower was a very good machine indeed. I always say they're very good machines. And to be honest with you, I'm quite happy to use it for another week really, because it's done a cracking job on the rug. It's done an absolute cracking job. Now, as you can see, like I promised, I would change the plug. So I have changed the plug to a MK one. So it's got one of the MK ones. I'll keep that other one back for an older machine to make it look better, because quite often you don't really know what turns up on some of these old vacuums.
It's like a ticking noise.
Right. The tool set, I found with the tool set with this extra pole made a hell of a difference to the tool set. If you think about it, when you used to buy the Hoover Senior back in the 60s. Alright, yes. If you bought a Hoover Senior back in the 60s and 70s, it would have come with 2 poles anyway. It was only really the Hoover Juniors that actually come with a single pole. But as you can see on the video, that the pole could go absolutely under the furniture. You could also do the stairs with it quite easily. So made a hell of a difference. The 2-speed function was very, very good around the house, because the 2-speed function allowed me to have a deeper clean on the carpets and to use less energy like you would do these days to do your hard floors, because they don't need as much suction to suck off stuff off the hard floors. And as well, I also used I mainly kept it on number 3, and that stain there is wax, by the way. That just scrubs off because I've been burning candles. last couple of days.
To 30 seconds.
So I've been running it on this setting here, and when I've been doing the thicker pole rug, I've been using that section. This vacuum in here, you will be seeing this one next week. I've had a bit of a disaster with it.
Not actually 729.
Alright, so what we'll do now, we'll put some dirt down on the carpet and see how well this one cleans, because it's been a great... Yeah, so I'm back on the other camera now. So what we're going to do now, we're just quickly going to give this one a quick go now, just to see how well it sucks up. So we'll get this one in front of it now, and we'll switch this one on the low speed first. So we'll click it on the one. Really well, this one. That is quite impressive for something that come out in the 80s. This is why these machines were so popular. Like I say, the Hoover Turbopower were a winner. I mean, even though this is the most boringest looking, or the most boringest colour scheme, well, the easiest one to get hold of, if you've got a good running one with a decent brush roll, you know, that would probably as clean, probably better, or as good as my modern technology. You know?
Put it on max power now and feel the ground shake.
Yeah, we will do. Now we'll
they got a siren do.
So what we'll do now, we'll stick this in the middle of there.
Put it right underneath one.
And we'll put it on the second speed. So. So that was on the low speed, look, and there's a few little bits here, and that was on the higher speed. Now that was quite very, very fine powder. This is like Complan. This is like what the this is obviously gone off food, but yeah, it's amazing what these old machines do.
Complan's actually now.
So we're gonna just round this video off today, because
yes, the one that used to have this.
So we've got a big bag of this out-of-date food here, which we're quite happy to chuck on the carpet.
Yes, and shred them up in Hoover.
Yeah, and like I say, this is a dirty air system, which
Maybe have a go to Tills. I want to possibly have it from
this
Tills.
one was basically a modern version of a Hoover Junior, because they did do the Turbomaster later on, which was the larger one.
I want the Turbomaster.
Yeah.
Well, it's not larger. We nearly got our hands on one.
Yeah, almost had a Turbomaster, didn't we?
Yes, I need the variable speed, full speed.
So,
I really wish I could make a Turbopower full speed.
So yeah, so
Yeah.
brilliant. So what we'll do now, we'll finish off the video, and we'll find something else to do the vintage week again in another 4 weeks. What I'm doing now is
cheapy rake.
I'm doing
And that's the bit. That's a vintage rake and it's cheapy rake.
yeah, we could do some bits of that next.
Yeah, cheapy rake. They both crap rake.
Yeah, but they're crap. We ain't using crap for a week.
Yes, we are.
You may as well use a crappy one. You may as well just not use one. That's my bottle. What's the still saying? Buy cheap, buy twice.
No, they get a vaccine and use that for a week.
So yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Like I say, I'm probably going to upload these on the Sundays now, and hopefully if I get a chance to do, it is to do the uploads. I'm a few problems with Google. I've lost a video. You'll find out which video I lost last week, because I'm going to be doing that.
Yes, next week.
So we're going to be...
I never know these Turbo-Powers have got little catches.
So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Vacuum Man, like and subscribe. Comment if you want, you know, sensible comments, mind you.
Yeah, don't like F
If it's
off.
stupid comments, I'll just ignore them. You know,
Don't like F off to the side,
I
man.
like, you know,
Like
quite
F
often
off,
I like to
yo.
like what people put down because they bothered to ask me questions and are quite.
Not bad questions.
So bye for now, and please subscribe to Vacuum Man, and we are back to the modern technology to
4
clean the
weeks.
house for the next 4 weeks. And bye for now.